another cake. The ingredients, them are...
How about the covered strawberry and parsley?
Yeah, they get the ingredients.
You don't know why they get that.
Ingredients, then we get the first thing over here, so. We are getting.
You said me right, that's all I said. We can either get this or we can get the jello, the vanilla pudding jello something. Or I get this and then get the strawberry jello.
Second item, jelly.
Strawberry jello, it's just 144. We can only need one because we not really make a lot.
Yeah.
That's it guys, like, you know, iron water, knows your stuffing. And
Come, cut it up. Yeah. I know you're milking it.
we choose the right name, but we are practicing to me. This one was nice. But they also kind of oh no, why look at this one?
Wagwan.
This?
I pray. Back with another video. We are making some strawberry.
Covered strawberry shortcake.
Covered strawberry shortcake. Yeah, that's
And the same thing when we get to Walmart. I don't know why I'm redo the inch because I never redo the inch one. We never met this before. We are no pro, okay? I'm going to show you my living room.
we have to crush the Oreo. What kind of Oreo?
Golden Oreo first.
Golden Oreo. We are crushing the Oreo first. Yeah. Man, I do this long time. You just want to show now, let's go.
I first him I do it and if me name so him say if he does him stop tell lie man.
Yeah. The feel, what I mean to say is like me feel like me have this long time.
And I tell him should we start cook one little bit now? My chef.
Yeah, chef.
And then we have the strawberry jello.
Don't crush this, we have to go melt some butter. Alright.
Even though you're not exposure, that means good. But no, I oven by work.
So we put the butter to melt in the oven.
Because we don't really use microwave.
Yeah, we're not really, it's not good for your health. So we buy some things, we don't know if are the right thing them to go in the oven. So if you explode, explode. If not, then
I think it is though.
yeah.
So it is finished. You know. How? Look at that, it's still hot. It's been an hour.
Blend an hour. Oh my god.
Strawberry jello, you know. Butter.
Use white chocolate. Yeah.
Shit. I didn't say this here.
The butter?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Pretty cool. Can't drop it like that. Did it feel crispy?
Oh no, when time it's dry, it go look milk. Maybe that's why I didn't get this. Oh! That's why then you disappear. So one time I milk it, you just lift up half it.
People make it to the bottom. This boy have the oven at 430.
The 430?
I never see this yet. Everybody preheat over 375. They're gonna be a. It's something burn up. Watch out, people.
Damn.
Let it cool down. I have to go separate the black. And the thing about it now, one jello mobile, one jello mobile.
It should cool a little bit faster.
Jesus Christ, man. Yes!
Suppose you bang up.
Let me just use. But you know, so I know said to what this is cool down to the plant up I walk. Oh, wait, so could I do it? I know so this is a failed attempt, guys.
You talking about that little close.
But yeah, next time we do it. One part we are going to
First of all, this
take
can't
one part.
feel. This can't feel.
If I did tail, I don't know what fail is. It don't look as creamy as this. You feel me? See? Yeah. So now we have to go dry the strawberry. Since enough, I want to come in and the video. Dry strawberry. Tia, come here. You tell her to dash you this. You walk up and down with it for. And kind of swirl it if you don't have it in a something, you know, that deep, and then you make the excessive, you know, chocolate chip off.
And then you dip in that.
So it's supposed to look something like this, people. Why you wanna tear the dress all over my place? Like you don't put in this good. Jesus Christ, you come on. People wanna tear the dress off. People come and start Pierce good.
It's like you go right through. After you go right through.
I want me have one strawberry in the garden, you know. Jesus Christ. So what is the part that you use that? Oh, nasty.
Alright, you see the stick, you're not put it from this way. You see you have a flat edge, you have a pointy edge, you use the pointy edge like put it.
I believe the people are married while you're going to
See, and you not put. And then.
And you go like this. Lift up the leaf.
Yeah, lift up. I go lift up, you know?
After the peanut strawberry, I have chocolate and hold it like this. And then dip it. Hold it like this.
Yeah, I know. And then you hold it like this. So you make sure you leaf them. Yeah, dip on the upper side. And then you twist and you turn. It is so good.
Show people the verse strawberry.
Ta-da!
Well, like people are like chocolate like this. It's actually good, guys. Very good.
Mine's. And the strawberries are so fresh.